In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same tile one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Location Services to disable or enable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!